Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter for the pairing mode on your JBL Charge Essential 2nd generation. So take a look, I'm currently now on my phone and the Bluetooth is enabled, but on available devices list I cannot find my speaker. So to enable the pairing mode, you have to power on your speaker. As you can see, it's turned on because the indicator is up. So to activate the pairing mode, click once on this Bluetooth button. Right now it is blinking quickly and speaker is making sound. And right now, when I'm gonna simply restart the Bluetooth on my phone, I can find the speaker on the list, and right now I will be able to successfully connect the speaker. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.